si El Decano Inay Chaleco.
Sabi ko nga, no, dapat babagayan natin si kasamang Miko Halili, the original El Chaleco.
So 1:31 to go.
By the way, Kenny Smith of the NBA broadcast panel, nagchachaleko na din. Mukha yatang nahawa na din sa'yo, Miko.
That's okay, I'm generous. Wala naman tayong copyright siya.
Pati sa NBA.
Umabot na.
Oo,
Okay,
kita mo naman.
so Magnolia trying to catch up here as Cortez misses on a pull-up. Alexander with a rebound.
And they're forced to foul. Alexander has just done such a marvelous job off the boards. Second chance opportunities para sa kanyang kakampi and preventing second chance opportunities para sa Magnolia.
26 rebounds tonight for Chris Alexander.
He's just a monster off the boards. You know, if he could only shoot his free throws consistently, what a player this Chris Alexander is. At that time, pinasok niya ang kanyang free throw. He's going 3 out of 13. 3 out of 13. Parang gentle giant ang dating ni Chris Alexander. Salaka nito. Oh, making 2 out of 2. He's got the touch.
I don't know if a gentle giant can collar 26 rebounds. Here's Cortez on the move. And Watkins will get the reverse slam. Pero kailangan magmadali ng Magnolia dito. At tanggal yung headband.
And they'll call the foul on, I think it might be on Watkins. And if it is,
alam ko, bago tong headband ni Helterbrand. Lumipad.
But
Magnolia's no other recourse but to try and stop the clock and give up fouls.
at si Watkins has fouled out. Siya ka ang tinawagan doon.
JJ Helterbrand really picking up the slack here, knowing fully well that Mark Kagiwa would not return to the ball game.
Napalakas yung tira ni Helterbrand, but yes. Artadi checking back in. Again, ito yung small lineup ni Coach Joseph Vichico. Actually, very small lineup kasi yung power forward niya, si Junti Valenzuela.
1 minute and 4 to go. And Cortez misses the layup. Might just do it. 27th rebound for Chris Alexander.
And he'll go to the line again. An impending victory here para sa Barangay Ginebra. That's 3 in a row. And they did the job with good defense.
Ano na magiging epekto nito kinito sa team standings now with the Ginebra moments away from scoring their third consecutive win?
Malaking bagay ito for Barangay Ginebra because they're inching away from that stellar position, breaking away from Welcott. Ito sunod-sunod na din ang mga tira ni Chris Alexander. More importantly, it gives them momentum because ito na ang pangatlong sunod-sunod na panalo ng Barangay Ginebra. And for Magnolia, they go down to less than 500%. Or rather, 0.500 or 50%.
Under a minute to go in this impending Ginebra victory as Pingris scores inside. Well, Magnolia also missed the services of Dondon Ontiveros, who got injured back in the first half. As JJ Helterbrand says hello to the broadcast panel. And Helterbrand will go back to the free throw line. Jonas Villanueva.
Well, the big
tag with a
statement,
foul.
ang big statement dito ni Coach Joseph Vichico na kayang manalo ang Barangay Ginebra even without Mark Kagiwa on the floor. And ang pinakita nila dito is that they're not just a good running gun team, but they're also a good defensive team, holding Magnolia to less than 80 points. Sabi nga natin kanina, no? Those two previous victories ng Magnolia, rather than Ginebra, have come through hard work sa depensa. And when you've got a shot blocker in Chris Alexander who will make sure that he gets the rebounds even if you miss, and Alex Crisano providing a lot of energy, and that's what you need to play the kind of good defense that Ginebra has played. What about the defense on Danny Seagal. Sabi nga natin siya ang barometer ng Magnolia. Kung maganda ang nilalaro ni Seagal, nananalo ang Magnolia. And Seagal has been limited in this game to only 5 points. Scoreless here in the fourth period.
Well, you credit Ronald Tubit and Sunday Salvacion for the defensive job they did. Danny Seagal. And Tubit launches one from the parking lot at 4 seconds to go. Ginebra will run away with their third consecutive win here.
At nakakuha pa ng rebound si Alexander just to make sure that Magnolia would not have the last crack at the basket.
So the residents of Barangay Big Dome celebrating third consecutive win para sa Ginebra, winning over Magnolia 87-76 behind big games from JJ Helterbrand, Chris Alexander, as well as Junti Valenzuela. And now let's check our Gatorade game turning point. Time winding down sa shot clock. Tubit nails a buzzer beater. That's our Gatorade game turning point. Gatorade, is it in you? Here's our best player of the game.
Well, ang pinili natin, walang kaduda-duda. That's JJ Helterbrand picking up the slack from Mark Pegiwa, not able to check back in the second half. 23 points para sa kanya with 4 rebounds and 4 assists. Helterbrand applying the finishing touches to this game. He had 10 points in the fourth period.
Sa Bernes, tayo po ay aakyat ng Antipolo. Coca-Cola meets Wellcoat. Pure Foods goes up against Alaska.